Hey guys, I was at Costco and I picked up this T-Fal 5.5 quart saute pan. This is a really deep pan with a lid. This is a pretty awesome pan, and I'm going to quickly do an unboxing of what it has inside, as well as try to do a quick review, but at the same time I really can't. I have another one of these pans, but it's actually stainless steel and it's been working great. But the thing is that I wanted something that has a non-stick surface, and I also want to increase or update my cookware as well, because I want to cook on that induction stove. Now on the box it doesn't say anything about cooking on an induction stove, but taking it out of the box I have the instructions. It actually says induction in it, but apparently this instructions actually have a general instruction for all their pans or something, stovetop, whatever, all of it. It actually has it there, which is kind of sad because I read induction in there, and I started to prep it and everything else like that. But overall, it actually has a lot of other things listed on that instruction manual. So that was kind of worthless and not very useful. So I'm going to go ahead and move on and just keep on going with the unboxing. So anyways, this is a pretty awesome deep saute pan, meaning that it has this titanium non-stick finish as well as a large silicone handle. And on the other side, there's another silicone covered handle as well. So you actually could move this around if you're cooking with this. So this is pretty awesome. And the lid is huge. Now, my other pan I just got, doesn't have a lid. And I really want something with a lid so it doesn't splatter. And that's what I like about this one. I mentioned it's also there's like a little breather hole there so it won't overflow when it boils over. And also that little red dot actually changes color, I think. Now, it's a little dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and wash this thing first before ever using it. The bottom's pretty flat. And washing it really quick with some dishwashing soap. I used a silicone scrubber, so you don't scratch it. You never use anything, never use coloring pad and stuff because it's not meant for that, even though it's very, very tough and stuff as they advertise. But trying it on my induction thing, I get the error code 00, so that means it can't really heat on this induction stove. So I wish they put that on the box, but it works on regular heated surfaces, of course. It works on gas and all these other ones, but it's not going to work on an induction stove like mine. So anyways, it's a really awesome pan, good size, exactly what I wanted, but it doesn't work on an induction stove. And it also has a great lid. But oh well, I'm going to have to, move on with this and not use this one in the future one. Anyways, guys, it's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.